Na Okarinin oder je na predzadnji večer stopil Guillaume Perret, vzhajajoča zvezda francoskega džeza, raziskovalec zvoka, ki vedno išče nekaj novega in s svojim ustvarjanjem dokazuje, da meja v glasbi ni. Pri 7 letih je v roke prvič vzel saksofon, ki je še danes njegov stalni spremljevalec.
I always loved to play from the age of 7. I started saxophone, so there's a lot of enjoyment with music. So I love to meet people, meet musicians, play any kind of music, any kind of levels.
Je izjemen instrumentalist, katerega glasbo težko uvrstimo v določen žanr.
I did electrified my saxophone, so I can have many kind of different sounds. I can, any instruments from the orchestra or electric instruments, I can imitate instruments from other countries. So it's like very rich for playing, you know. And I like that my music is kind of like a movie, you know, to tell stories. So each tune has like a story, and I like to take people, you know, with me and travel.
Svojo glasbo s pomočjo vah-vah pedala in električnimi učinki pripoveduje zgodbe. Tokrat je poslušalce premierno popeljal v vesolje.
So tonight I'm going to play this music from this movie, 16 Sunrise. It's a space odyssey. It's a documentary around Thomas Pesquet, the French astronaut. We went 6 months in the station.
Rad ustvarja filmsko glasbo ter glasbo za gledališke in baletne predstave.
And for me, it's more easy when I have some dramaturgical context. If someone asks me to do something about kind of emotion or something, it's more easy for me to get into the music.
Njegova glasba zajema neverjeten spekter zvokov. Je mešanica sodobnega džeza, funka in metala, ki smo jo letos na Bledu poslušali prvič.
I was supposed to be here 2 years ago, but this guy, he was just born like a couple of days before, and we had some little troubles with the mother, so I had to stay at home. So unfortunately 2 years ago I was not here. But now everything is okay and I'm a happy father, so I'm here.
Vesel in počaščen, da lahko stoji na odru festivala Okarina in poslušalcem odkriva svoje glasbene sanje.
I love to give a lot of emotions, so I'm happy when people come to me after the concert and say it's like a kind of therapy, you know, because they feel like something move inside, and I love strong feelings, you know, power and energy, and I try to share this with my music and energy on stage, and sometimes it works.
In delovalo je tudi tokrat. Občinstvo je popeljal na edinstveno, s čustvi obarvano glasbeno potovanje.